I think that Spin's really going to provide a service that students need and will utilize. It's going to be seamless, when they're transition between classes. People are going to worry less about where they're parking and more about where they're going. So it's going to really connect everybody from one side of the campus to the next. We selected Spin out of all the brands because it's the most reliable ride. It's the scooter that was the best built. It's going to give students the safest and most durable ride. And the company really has good work ethics and have worked to accommodate all of UCF's needs so far.
So now students don't have to worry about finding an empty parking spot or leaving 30 minutes ahead of class time to get to campus on time, because they can grab a Spin wherever they are and get to campus on time. Basically, all you have to do is rent a scooter and you can ride around most of the main campus. Once you open the app, you'll see the areas where you're not allowed to ride, but most of the main campus and the walkways and roads will be open.
It's actually been a really unique experience because in this setting I got to work directly with the student government, who actually interviewed quite a few different companies and landed on Spin as our final choice. So I think for other schools it's definitely more eco-friendly than some of the shuttles and buses that we currently use, and it's fun. I think that the students, this is a testament to the fact that the students want this service and want this product, and having that great partnership in terms of keeping safety as a #1 priority, making sure we're not blocking any sidewalks, making sure we're coexisting with the university is key to that coming to fruition and being successful.
We call them Spin Hub, and they're the charging stations for the scooters. The way we use them on campus here is to promote responsible parking. So it's a really strong incentive to, park at one of the stations, and that helps keep things orderly.
We've worked very closely with the university to identify what are the specific custom configurations we want to build for the university so that the scooters are as safe as possible. That includes everything from adjusting geofencing and speed limitations across the campus based on the unique foot traffic of those areas, all the way to working with the campus to hold safety events and helmet giveaways to make sure that people have what they need to ride scooters safely, consistently.
It's been a great partnership, and I'm thankful to have such a great team working on the Spin side as well as over here on the UCF side to make this happen.